Here's the key. They're wooden, and I think they are waterproof. I've been swimming and haven't had any issues. Forgive me about this. We'll start with the door. I think you get these as souvenirs as well. Souvenirs from the Andaz. This toilet, forgive my area here, sunscreen and all that stuff. Check out the shower. It's got dual heads. Got plenty of space in here. It's probably about 8 feet in. And then this opens. Here's the patio. This actually opens up. If you want to catch a breeze or let the monkeys in, and they are here. You'll see that in this video for sure. Got a couple drying rooms. Got a closet in here. You get your safe, coffee, necessities, and then food and drink. I think everything's complimentary except for the booze. Here's another patio door, same deal. Pull this up. Gotta hold that. All right. I don't see any monkeys out here yet, but they're here. They were crawling on here. I've got a video of it I'll put in this video. That's the bay. The marina's down there. You can barely see it. We'll see that in this video too. It's a butterfly. A lot of wildlife here. Howler monkeys and the other ones. The howlers make a lot of noise. It's a workstation, forgive me. I've been doing that. Got a nice little area here to look out the windows. Runs the length of the entire wall here. Here's the messy bed, forgive me. Got another dresser over there. Nice big TV.